Alrighty, so first things first, starting with getting everything together. My shampoo. I've never actually used this shampoo before. The kind I really use and love is the Body Wash. It's an all natural shampoo and it smells amazing. The Lav-N-Derm one. Their shampoo and conditioner, but they didn't have any more at the store, and so I'm going to use this today. Seems like a good brand. Got all my stuff here. Got some teeth brushing. Got my container, which I'm going to rinse that out in a second. A little secret. You know, this costs $11, but it will dilute. You can see, I haven't opened it yet. See how thick this is? Oops. But that, yeah, you can dilute this with a little bit of water and it'll last you a whole lot longer. Putting the towel down so it won't hurt my knees. Now he's a good boy. I don't have to really worry about him trying to jump out. I'll show you guys on another video how to deal with a dog that's trying to get out on you a whole lot. So got that here. And then we're fortunate enough to have a shower head that comes down. So get that ready and we'll get the water warmed up. And I just use any old bottle. I usually save an old shampoo bottle, but I've been washing him at work, so I haven't had to save any bottles. It's nice and warm. And so I'm just gonna eyeball it here. Looks to be about good. And once you're used to it, you can drain it to get a good feel for what. Can you see about how much that is compared to how much water? Then I just shake it up. You know, we're all trying to save money here, so go. Cool. Put top back on. We might need some more later, but that way you're not just dumping all of this concentrated shampoo on your dog, and you might find it hard to rinse all of that out.